This is a two-room BTO flat located in western part of Singapore. The homeowners wanted to maximize every inch of space while creating a bright, comfortable and spacious living environment. The female homeowner also wanted a dedicated vanity and study area in the bedroom. Inspired by the New York metropolitan style, our designer embraced a minimalist design approach featuring an open concept layout, abundant natural lighting, and a timeless black, white and grey color palette to create a clean, sleek and sophisticated space. Cool tone wood look vinyl flooring is paired with a warm tan leathered sofa, while light wood display cabinets and a matching dining table add warmth and character, creating a minimalist yet cozy atmosphere. The kitchen retains its original grey tiles, paired with light-coloured cabinetry, making the space feel brighter and more visually spacious. In the master bedroom, a fluted glass folding door replaces a solid wall, providing privacy while allowing natural light to flow into the room, enhancing the overall sense of openness. The bedroom continues the light-toned minimalist aesthetic, featuring a built-in sliding door wardrobe, along with a cleverly designed vanity that doubles as a study desk behind the TV console, ensuring every inch of space is maximized. Rounded tabletop edges improve safety, while a sleek wall-mounted light adds a refined finishing touch, creating a home that perfectly balances beauty and functionality.